Meet FortBite, the ancient volcanic clay your teeth have been craving. Supports healthy gums, strong teeth, and even balances your digestive system. Think of it as a superhero cape for your dental health routine. Made in the USA, GMP certified, FDA approved, and 100% natural. Fancy, huh? No GMOs here, just pure natural goodness packed into one powerful formula. Imagine brushing your teeth with nature's spa-grade clay. Luxurious, right? Cloves and cinnamon join the party, bringing flavor and extra oral care benefits. FortBite is like a personal trainer for your teeth and gums, buffed up. It's not just oral care, it's a holistic approach to your overall wellness. Backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. Zero risk, all reward. Fast and free shipping means you'll be smiling brighter in no time. FortBite, where ancient wisdom meets modern dental care. Your smile deserves this.